Hi there, here at the Schroeder Farm to take care of these little kittens that got hurt. So, well, their eyes keep getting like some shit in it, and I had to wipe them. We've lost two of them, of the kittens. So, their eyes get like, gross. Now we got two of them, and I'm trying to save them. And I'm trying to get the mother to feed it, and I'm gonna feed it. So, tell me, everybody, if that's a bad thing. I don't know. Feeding it right in front of the mama. Mama, mama. I gotta come out there and clean their eyes again. They're starting to get a little puffy. Well, I wiped their eyes, bottle fed them, wiped their eyes, and with this antiseptic, it's like some stuff. I think you make sure that people don't, like, you wipe it, takes away like staph and stuff. So hopefully that works. I don't know. Please comment if you know of anything different. Please and thank you. Now I'm looking for my pig. Piggy, piggy, piggy. This is one that doesn't like to escape. See if he wants to have some company, because he's a little lonely guy. Let's see. There he is. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Hi, babies. Babies. Hi, babies. Used to be